Okay, we just got to our campsite. We're unloading. All the camping gear is on top, so we'll take it off first. Got a sleeping bag. And this one. Road dry bag. Got our tent. And one of the sleeping pads. Tent poles. Here in the Tillamook dry bag. And the other sleeping pad and sleeping bag here in our third dry bag, another small Rogue. All of our cooking kit and food is in this pannier. Along with some extra clothing. The inner liner bag just pulls out. So we can easily carry everything to where we want to go. I also have my huge rally tool pack in here, just in case. Spare tube, spare fuel, map, off the bike shoes, and on this side we have water bag, my things, food, and our cook kit is in here as well. Camera, snacks, other things that I wanted to get to handy here in the tank bag. Water and lens cleaning supplies in the pannier pockets. Spare tube here in the possibles pouch. And I just put the bushwhackers on, left them on, even though it was mid-70s today and I didn't really need them to stay warm. And now let's set up camp.
Woohoo!